Hi team, just a quick video on one particular cue of the deadlift. I've got Erin here, she's going to be my sports model. Essentially what we're just going to run through today is how we actually rise the hips and the shoulders through the deadlift at the same time. So it's only one part of the complex skill. And Erin, can you please set up? So what we're going to do is we're going to do three lifts where the hips actually come up first and we actually extend through our legs early before actually the bar comes off the ground. And what essentially you'll see is the hips will come up early, the shoulders will actually stay in position. Come back down, we'll do another one. And hips come up early. So basically we almost put ourselves into a Romanian or straight-legged deadlift before we actually lift. Now that can happen because of a couple of reasons. One, maybe it's too heavy and you're struggling and you need to pull the weights back. Or two, it's about your breathing and bracing and preparing yourself at the beginning. And I think the third one could actually be how we actually apply force through the ground. But what I want you to do is feel the actual movement and try to keep the upper body and the hips working together and in sync. So one more of the hip before the shoulder. Okay. And obviously this would happen in real time and probably a little bit faster. We're just doing a mock-up of what it may look like. Now what we're going to do is the hip and the shoulder at the same time. Okay, that's the first one. Let's do another couple. So hip and shoulder at the same time. And another one. Okay. So there's just something for you to think about. Not always easy to judge when you're on your own. So if you're with a friend or your coach is there or one of your teammates, get them to have a look and get some feedback. Hope that's helped.